Looking for a lightning cable that charges your Apple devices quickly and safely without breaking the bank? The Syncwire MFi-certified cable promises exactly that: fast charging, seamless syncing, and peace of mind with full Apple certification. No annoying warning messages, just reliable power when you need it most. What sets this cable apart is its original Apple C48 terminal combined with a smart chip, enabling ultra-fast charging at 2.4 amps. That's about 20% faster than standard cables lacking Apple's original chip. Whether you're syncing data or powering up your iPhone or iPad, you get consistent speed and efficiency every time. Compatibility isn't an issue here. This cable supports a wide range of Apple devices with an 8-pin Lightning port, from the iPhone 5 series all the way up to the iPhone 11 Pro Max, plus all iPad models including Air, Mini, and Pro, as well as iPods. It's truly a versatile choice for anyone invested in the Apple ecosystem. Durability is another major selling point. Crafted from premium materials, this cable withstands over 12,000 bends at 95 degrees and 10,000 plug-in cycles, making it 12 times tougher than original Apple cables. The laser-welded connector can even handle up to 15 kilograms of force without breaking, so it's built to last through everyday wear and tear. Beyond the product's specs, Syncwire backs every cable with a 3-year warranty and lifetime tech support. This means if you ever face an issue, their customer service is ready to help until you're fully satisfied. That kind of support is rare and adds real value to your purchase. One user from the United States shared their experience, praising the cable for its professional packaging and impressive quality. They highlighted the pricing advantage. Syncwire's cable costs just a third of Apple's original yet delivers equal or better performance. After months of daily use in their car and home, they remain highly satisfied and recommend it to anyone wanting a reliable, affordable alternative. If you're tired of overpriced cables that wear out fast or show warning errors, this Syncwire Lightning cable is worth a look. It combines fast charging, strong build quality, and broad compatibility, all while saving you money. Try it when you're ready to upgrade your charging experience without compromise. Ready to make the switch? Choose Syncwire's MFi-certified Lightning cable for a dependable, fast, and durable connection that keeps your Apple devices powered up safely. It's a smart investment that pays off in everyday convenience and long-term reliability.